Recent heavy rains are impacting growers in California, including right here in the Coachella Valley. News Channel 3's Tatum Larson has been speaking with local growers to see how this wet season is changing their growing season. Tatum.
Hi, John. Crops across the state have been drenched by the recent rain, which has made it tougher for some farmers to bring food to your table. Heavy rain has made crop production a challenge for some farmers across California. Local farmer Mark Tadros, who is the president of Aziz Farms, says that the recent rain could have been a blessing or a curse depending on a farmer's crops.
Our farm right now, it hasn't terribly been affected, at least not our vegetable crops. You know, some things are a lot more susceptible. I know a local strawberry farmer whose production is a lot less this year than it was last year.
Other parts of the state, like Northern California, otherwise known as the Salad Bowl part of the state, are facing a different set of problems, with reports of muddy fields, damaged crops, and unsuitable harvesting conditions due to the heavy rain. You may feel the effects of soggy fields soon, as sparser produce stands may be on the horizon by the end of April. With these changes ahead, Tadros says that it's time to support local growers more than ever. You may want to prepare your pocketbook as the produce shortages may lead to increased prices at the checkout stand. Live in studio, Tatum Larson, News Channel 3.